Assalamu alaikum. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher, and remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is one curriculum, one nation. And today's topic, weather. It means that by the end of the lesson our students will be able to talk about different kinds of weather. So what I can do or you can do, you can show the picture or the flashcard of a sun and you can talk about today's weather. Oh, students, how are you? Are you people fine? Good, it sounds great. Well, today when I was coming towards this school, it was a sunny morning. The sun was shining. And it was hot. And still it is hot today. It's sunny today. What's about yesterday? Was it sunny yesterday? Who remember? Was it sunny yesterday? No, it was not sunny yesterday. It was windy yesterday. The leaves were falling down. Now, can you please and look at this picture? What is the picture showing? It's showing rain. The picture is showing that it is a rainy day. And now look at this picture. This picture is showing that it is a cloudy. When there were clouds on the sky, when there are clouds on the sky, we used to call it a cloudy day. It's a cloudy day. Good. And now look at this picture. Sunny. The picture is showing that it's a sunny day. Good. Do you like to see or have sunny day? And what's about the rainy day? Do you love to play in the rain? I also love to play in the rain. Good. Now look at the board, student. Look at here. I am going to divide the board into two halves. Now look at the pictures and tell me what is the picture showing or what it is telling to you. Look at here. Mountains and sun. Oh, so this is sunny. Now look at here what I am going to do. Oh, I am going to make some trees like this and leaves are falling down from the trees. It means I have drawn a picture of a windy day. Yes, it's windy. Now look at here. I have drawn another tree yet and clouds, but what is this? Tip. Yes, a rainy day. And now look at here. Simple clouds. It means a cloudy day. It's a cloudy day. When it's sunny, it's hot or cold? It's always hot. Good. And what's about rainy? When it's rainy, it's hot or cold? It's cold. Great. It's cold. And let's sing a poem now. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head. And could not get up in the morning. It's raining, it's raining, it's pouring, it's pouring. The rhyme is given here in the book. This is the page of the book. You can sing this poem with the students. Okay, after doing this activity and focusing on the names and the pictures, what you can do, you can erase these names. Now, at the first step, what you can do, you can change the order of the names. For example, if this is sunny, I'm going to write sunny here. It's windy, I'm going to write the word windy here. It's rainy, I'm going to write the word rainy here. And the last one is that we have windy, we have rainy, and then cloudy. And now you can invite the student to come to read the weather condition and to match it with the pictures like this, like this. After this, what you can do, you can divide these flashcards among the students and you can ask them to write the name of the weather condition at the back of the flashcards. Then you can give them plain flashcards like this or the pieces of paper, and you can encourage them to draw the picture of their favorite weather and to write down the name of the weather there on the picture. After all of these activities, what you can do, you can invite them to open their books and firstly listen and then speak. Firstly, they have to look at the picture. You are going to tell them about the sentence, they are going to listen, and then they are going to repeat and read. For example, rainy, windy, hot, cold, cloudy, sunny, cool. Students, look at this picture. It's showing that it's rainy today. It's rainy today. Now encourage them to talk about the rainy season. Then ask them to look at this picture. It's cloudy today. It's cloudy today. Encourage them to read this sentence and then talk about this picture. In this way, you can involve the student and ensure that they have got the concept clearance about different kinds of weather. For the homework purpose, what you can do, you can give them a flashcards, or you can give them a worksheet having all kinds of weather condition, and they have to write down the names of the weather there. Thank you very much.